I use transitions all the time. On this timeline, I want to transition between each of these with cross dissolves. If I select everything and press Shift D, it places the default transitions everywhere. I can see here I cross dissolve between the New York Street and the bars and tone, and back again. The same goes for audio, as we can see here on the audio track. The times are currently set to my default transition times, which you can change in your preferences. Click Premiere Pro, Preferences, Timeline. Here in Preferences, we can set the default duration of these transitions. I have my video transition default at 15 frames and audio transition at 2 frames. I can also set my still image default duration, and all of these are adjustable in frames or seconds. I prefer these durations for my workflow. But when the default is not the right timing, you can adjust here, or if you double click, you can set a specific duration. I'll change this to 5. And down here on the audio track, I'll double click and change it to 10. It's nice to be able to select all the dissolves and change them all at the same time. This is also the way that I know to get a transition to be an odd number of frames.